about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Good morning. Welcome to today's video. We are in Austin.
We're here for South by Southwest. We're repping. Where's the label?
Where's the
I'm backwards.
It'll be the right way, I think, when it's not on here. I think the logo will be right. Yeah. We are at Cafe Medici.
Don't ask me.
On Congress?
Yes,
On Congress Street, right? Okay. And we just got some breakfast food and some coffee.
Courtesy of Comcast.
Courtesy of Comcast, you want to show? We are in Austin at South by Southwest because we are pitching in the Accelerator Competition for the augmented and virtual reality category. And yes, it's very exciting, as you can tell. Overjoyed.
It'll be fun to meet everyone else in our category too.
The food here is really, really good, and I think they also usually have breakfast tacos here, but because it's the Comcast thing, they don't. But
I have a feeling we'll find tacos at some point today.
we are in Austin. Yeah, there will be a running taco count.
So we have a few hours before we pitch this afternoon. So we're gonna go check out the Ready Player One exhibit. Maybe get a little bit more practice in, and then go time.
Cameraman for the day. Stoked to be here. This coffee aftermath, but Sophia and I both got almond milk cappuccinos, as they came highly recommended, and then Sophia got a blueberry muffin and I got a croissant, and there's nothing left. I ate all the croissant.
No, you can see I've eaten this sugary top off, my favorite.
Oh, watch this. Watch.
Our judges are going to introduce themselves. Before we begin, I just want to say what an honor it is to be with all of the companies who will be presenting and creating here today, because you are the real stars of the show, and I'm really excited to see what you have to share with us.
Today, you can't design a project without CAD, and tomorrow, you won't want to build a project without FutureSight. Thank you.
South by Southwest, day one for us, and we went and got our badges this morning. And we have everybody. We picked up our badges this morning, and then we hung around the Hilton waiting to pitch, and then we finished pitching, and now we are at the Ready Player One exhibit interactive experience thing.
Alright, you guys ready? Yes. Ready? This artist had a movie that was critically acclaimed, and also an album that was critically acclaimed under the same name.
Critically acclaimed movie and album, same name.
Alright, you guys ready to come inside?
cool. It's extra nerdy, which we love. Bridge here is over here playing Pac-Man, and I don't think he's winning. And then over here we have some of the set. And over here we have some 80s movies on tape and some 80s movies on DVD. I'm not sure what that's about. And these are cassette tapes. And then over there is Parsival's DeLorean.
To begin, there's a living room, a couch that doubles as. Oh my god, why are you in there? Please don't do that. With the printer. Why would you do that?
Help me!
Okay. That was amazing. Now the Bridger's out of the dog crate.
Okay, I just wanted to jump in for a quick second and explain. So when we found out that we got into South by Southwest, we immediately went online and booked an Airbnb in Austin. We didn't know that when you get a pass, you also get access to South by Southwest's hotel booking system, which allows you to book hotels in Austin for like normal prices. So we didn't know, we booked an Airbnb, kind of jumped the gun. And we could have canceled it, but we were kind of like, no, it was still cheaper than a hotel. Well, you'll see. It's very Austin. I mean, we had a good time. And if we get back to the video, we can give you a quick tour right now.
Adorable.
Good morning! It is South by Southwest Day 2. And what do we have? Oh yeah. Wait for it.
Golden ticket.
To go see Elon.
Yeah, apparently he just like crashed South by Southwest, and then they pulled together a
Q&A.
Yeah, so we stood in line this morning to get tickets. The line was crazy, but they picked a giant venue, so we were like, there's no way. And then suddenly someone walked by and was like, here's your ticket.
Yep, we're seat 401, so I guess there had to be more than 400 people in front of us.
There was way more than 4. Was it row or seat? But look, so it's balcony, so I bet we're in the 400 seat in the balcony.
So to clarify, we won't be close to Elon Musk, but we should be able to see him. It'll be little.
It should be interesting though, because the thing with these like answers your questions, like how interesting or good this is completely depends on what questions he gets left.
And how many weirdos are in the audience.
I'm thinking
Because we're in Austin.
we're in the nerdiest conference ever, and it's so fun.
And that doesn't start till 12, so we are gonna go look at YouTube somethings.
Yeah, they had some story tent, so we're gonna go check that out. Favorite thing yesterday though was Ready Player One.
Oh yeah.
It was so fun. It was like a giant 80s party. Like
Yes.
a 80s grunge party. And then there was just trivia all over the place, and there was like waitresses with handing out tabs. It was really fun. It was really fun. I think let's go check out YouTube.
Yeah.
It's Thumbelina. Did you ever read that when you were a kid? Yeah. That's what it is. But it's like Thumbelina in modern day, so she's like texting her friends.
This is a 10-second video retelling Snow White, and it was like the queen in modern day is being chased by paparazzi.
Hover your hand over it and it restarts the video. It's like 3 different versions, but all of them are of the same thing. But it's like Rumpelstiltskin as like a cheesy commercial.
Okay, so we finished up at the YouTube exhibit, which was fairy tales reimagined in modern day. We got there super early, so there were no lines for anything, which was nice, but anyway, right after that, we ran across town to Austin City Limits, and that's where we are now for Elon's impromptu speech, or his impromptu Q&A.
I think right now the biggest thing that would be helpful is just general support and encouragement, and goodwill at SHIP right now. A power station, glass domes in which to grow crops, all of the sort of fundamentals, without which you cannot survive. And then really there's going to be an explosion of entrepreneurial opportunity, because Mars will need everything from iron foundries to pizza joints to nightclubs.
Definitely pizza joints.
I think Mars should really have great bars. The Mars bar. I mean, I love dad jokes, huh? So I'm feeling pretty optimistic about the timeline, although I can be a little, sometimes my timelines are a little, you know, people have told me that my timelines historically have been optimistic, and so I'm trying to recalibrate to some degree here. But I can tell you what I know currently is the case is that we are building the first ship, the first Mars or interplanetary ship right now, and I think we'll be able to do short flights, short sort of up and down flights, probably sometime in the first half of next year. Now, this is a very big booster and ship. The liftoff thrust of this would be about twice that of a Saturn V. Smile. Well, this is really winning.
Okay, we just finished watching Elon Musk do his Q&A with Jonathan Nolan from Westworld. It was pretty interesting. Hopefully some of the footage made it in here. There were so many vloggers all in the front row, and they all got kicked out like maybe 20 minutes in. The whole thing started like 30 minutes late, but you know, whatever. So we are back at the convention center now. I think we're gonna get some lunch because we're all getting pretty hungry.
Thanks.
This is Vina. She is our technical co-founder. Welcome to the vlog. Woo! And this is like the first time all 3 of us have been together since we first met in real life.
We are very efficient internet collaborators.
We talk frequently. We are very efficient.
We did so good that day.
I know. Oh, my Fitbit is super excited. It's like you're walking so much. Well, we already hit 10,000 steps today, guys. Already. That's South by Southwest for you.
We are back in Houston now. We dropped Sophia off on our way home, and the car ride was thankfully very uneventful. We didn't even get stuck in traffic, which is a real feat. I guess we had a little traffic coming out of Austin, but yeah, like I was saying, it was a pretty uneventful drive back, which is actually a good thing. We had to cut the trip a little bit short and come back pretty quick because we are getting turned around and getting ready for another trip at the end of the week. Check back for the video on that. I'll try to have them up pretty close to each other. But yeah, that was all we had for this video. I hope you enjoyed experiencing South by Southwest with us, and hopefully we get to go back again next year. We'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we